comprehensive guide to living a healthier, more balanced life. In today's fast-paced world, prioritizing both physical and mental well-being is more crucial than ever. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring how simple, actionable steps can transform your health and happiness. Let's start with the cornerstone of any healthy lifestyle: nutrition. Whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins should be the mainstay of your diet. These foods provide essential nutrients and energy without the drawbacks of processed options. Remember, staying hydrated is just as important, so aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Next, let's talk about exercise. Physical activity is a key component of maintaining a healthy body and mind. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity each week, or 75 minutes of vigorous activity, as recommended by health experts. Don't forget to include strength training exercises to build muscle and boost metabolism. Now on to sleep, a vital yet often overlooked aspect of health. Quality sleep can make all the difference. Try to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, establish a regular sleep schedule, and create a calming bedtime routine. Your sleep environment should be dark, quiet, and cool to help you rest peacefully. Routine checkups with your doctor are essential. They ensure you're on the right track and help catch any potential health issues early. Never ignore unusual symptoms. Your health is too important. Moving on to mental health, stress management is key. Incorporate mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine. Engage in hobbies you love and spend time in nature to recharge and find peace. Social connections also play a significant role in your well-being. Make time for family and friends. Seek support when needed. Participate in social activities that bring joy and connection. Mindfulness and gratitude can transform your perspective. Stay present in the moment and focus on the positives in your life. And if you're ever struggling, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Therapists and counselors can offer guidance and support. Finally, building healthy habits takes time. Start small, be patient, and celebrate your progress. Avoid tobacco, limit alcohol, and stay aware of environmental toxins to reduce harmful exposures. By incorporating these tips into your daily life, you'll not only improve your physical health, but also nurture your mental and emotional well-being. Remember, every small step you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Thank you for joining us on this journey to holistic health.